Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu Vardhan and my roll number is 21CE10031. As a part of my DIY assignment, I have designed an ultrasonic sensor with LED to detect objects at different distances. For that I have used Arduino card, mini breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, LEDs of different colors, and resistors of resistance 330 ohm each. I have made the code for this sensor to work. Now let's start simulation. Here we can see within a range of 100 centimeters to 75 centimeters the red LED glows, and in between 75 centimeters to 50 centimeters the blue one glows, and within 50 centimeters the green LED glows. Now I'm going to copy this code and paste it on Arduino IDE. So here you can see there is no error in the code. That's it guys. Thank you so much.